Hey everybody, this is eyeonstuff, and today I wanted to show you my new MRE and how I make it a hot meal since winter is coming. Also wanted to address a couple of comments. The first one is I don't put enough calories in my MREs. I just basically get the type of food items that I can find at regular supermarkets, and this is not for critical survival or combat. This is just getting a meal in a pinch, or if you're stranded somewhere for a few hours, or even if you're stranded somewhere overnight, at least you have a meal, and being stranded somewhere overnight with a little something to eat will not kill you. And also, I wanted to show you how I make a hot meal using an FRH, or a flameless ration heater, and also a beverage bag. Now, I got a comment saying that a beverage bag is for beverages, not for food. Yes, the beverage bag was designed for beverages, but I want to show you how I heat up my food using a beverage bag as well. So let's get started. This is my new MRE. It's in a hard container that is pretty much waterproof, and so if something breaks in here, it will not make a mess in your backpack or in your car, and it's contained in here, and nothing will get damaged if you step on your backpack or sit on your backpack or something like that. So this is what I have. And also, I figured I can use the lid here for a plate or maybe a cutting board as well. So here is my FRH, or flameless ration heater, that I'll be using. First of all, the accessories. See, I have a napkin here. I have a lemonade beverage base here, if I choose to use it. And if it's cold, I'll make some coffee, and I will be basically heating up my food and making some coffee in this video. I also have King Oscar anchovies. I have a spoon and a knife. Two packages of crackers, and I'll put links in the description on where to get these. I have a clip, and I'll show you what I use that for. Here's some pre-cooked corn. It can be eaten as is at room temperature, or you can heat it. I also have Spam Single Light. I have two beverage bags. One I'll be using for coffee, and the other one I'll be using to heat up my food. And what I'll be doing is I'll be cutting up the Spam, and I'll be mixing it up with the corn and putting it into a beverage bag and heating it up in my FRH. I can also put this in the FRH as well and just heat it up that way. But it'll probably heat up more efficiently if all the items were in here, and it'll be just like having its own little retort pouch. Okay, first let's cut up the Spam. It's always good to conserve the juices. Oops. All right. Okay, and now I put the Spam in the beverage bag. Okay, I have it all in the beverage bag here. I'm going to seal it up and see if I can mix it up. A little bit. Here's the second hot beverage bag. I am going to make some coffee. First the coffee. Flip it like so. As you can see, it's about 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes. Coffee is nice and toasty. Okay, here's the heated up meal, corn and Spam. Not gourmet, but in a pinch, it'll give you a nice warm meal. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have a nice warm meal with some warm coffee. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.